If you are looking for an engine welder that delivers high performance and productivity, our Denyo DLW-400LSW is the one to have. By adopting the best-in-class generators and engine, a rated duty cycle of 100% is proudly achieved, meaning it is capable of thermally withstand continuous operation without any compromise between size and performance. Operational efficiency is also greatly improved with the dual welding system that allows simultaneous welding by two welders. This in turn, boosting productivity without extra cost for additional welding machine. Denyo DLW-400LSW, the engine-driven welder created with users in mind.